Good morning, everyone, and how are you all doing? I hope you all are happy, safe, and healthy at your home. So, today is Wednesday. And the date is 6th October. It's 6th October, and today is Wednesday. Vedic Abhivadan, Namaste Ji, Vedic Dhwani. Om. So yesterday we did numbers from 0 till 19 and some pages of Fun with Maths book. And I'm very impressed the way you answer the questions in the class. Very good and all the very best for your future. Today we are going to learn a new letter. We are going to learn a new letter from English alphabet. Okay. First of all, you have to tell me how many alphabets till now we have done. Yes. Starting from A with phonetics, you have to say yes, repeat. Yes, repeat after me. A says a, B says b, C says k, D says the, E says F says f, G says g, H says h, I says e, J says j, K says k, L says l, M says m, N says n, O says O, and now comes the new letter. Yes, which letter is this? This is P. This is P. All of you say P. All of you say P. And its phonetic sound is P. 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 P says P. P says P. P says P. P says P. So remember, P says P. So now what we are going to do? जब भी हम कोई नया letter introduce करते हैं, where do we start first of all? Yes, first of all, we see the pictures of those new words, the things that we're going to see in the story. First of all, we see, then we hear what a teacher is saying, what the ma'am is saying. We hear, then with the help of the mouth, we repeat the word. We repeat. See, listen, and speak. Three magic words. See, listen, and speak. Okay. So now, first of all, we are going to learn the new words from P Sound Story. Then we are going to do P Sound Story from a book. Are you ready? So watch the video carefully. Love you all. So, dear all, as I have told you, this is our letter P. So simple to write. Letter P. Letter P. So this is our P. And how do we write P? Very simple. Very simple to write P. We know all the vertical lines, curve, and now what you are going to do, you are going to make a vertical line down, then bring it up, then curve P. Down, up, and a curve P. Vertical line down, vertical line up, and a curve P. And our P is ready. And what is its phonetic sound? P. What is its phonetic sound? P. Now, what we are going to do? Now we are going to see all the characters they were in P sound story. जितने भी characters or words हमारी P sound story में है, that we are going to see and you have to repeat after me. Okay? Now this one is, boy, you can see he is running. His name is Pavan. Pavan. Repeat after me. Pavan. Pankaj. 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 And their sister Palak. 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 And what is this? This is a pillow. This is a pillow. जिसको हम तकिया बोलते हैं. This is a pillow. Soft and very cuddly pillow. Pillow. And this is a pipe. This is a pipe. 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 This is a round. What is this? इसमें हम पानी भी रखते हैं. We keep water inside it in the summer season and it keeps the water cold. What is this? Pot. 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 Very good. Now can you see there are ducks inside a, what is this? Blue colored. What is this? Yes, it is a pond. It is a pond. There are ducks inside a pond. Pond होता है बेटा लेक या झील की तरह, लेकिन ये थोड़ा छोटा होता है, ठीक है. This is a pond. This is a pond. Pond. Now this is a very cute bird that love to mimic your voice. आपकी voice को ये क्या करता है, कॉपी करता है. जैसे आप बोलते हो इसको हम बड़े प्यार से क्या बोलते हैं, मियाँ मिट्ठू. क्या है ये, which bird is this? Papa parrot. This is a papa parrot. Papa parrot. Very good. Now here comes another bird. Now which bird is this? This is a pigeon. Papa pigeon. कबूतर बोलते हैं ना जिसको, Papa pigeon. Papa pigeon. Okay. Now here comes another bird. But it doesn't fly much. Which bird is this? Yes, this is peacock. This is a peacock. Papa peacock. Papa peacock. And do you know national bird of our country is peacock. The national bird of our country is peacock. The national bird of our country is peacock. Papa peacock. And look at its beautiful feather. Okay. Now Papa peanuts. Papa peanuts. Papa peanuts. Peanuts मतलब मूंगफली. मूंगफली. Okay. These are peanuts. Papa peanuts. Very good. Now what is this girl doing? यहाँ पे देखो. Look here. What is this girl doing? This girl is making a Papa painting. Papa painting. Papa painting. And what do we use to make a painting? Painting बनाने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? We also use them. Yes, Papa paint. Papa paint. So these are different bottle of paints. Yellow is there, red is there, blue is there, green is there. So these are Papa paints. And this is a Papa pencil. Papa pencil. Our three best friends are there. कौन है हमारे three best friends? Pencil, eraser and sharpener. So one of the best friend is here. Pencil. Papa pencil. Now look at this sweet, cute little puppy. Papa puppy. Papa puppy. He's a puppy. Yes, puppy dog. Puppy dog. Okay. Now what is this? We all eat our food and we eat our food inside a, yes, plate. Papa plate. Papa plate. Papa plate. And we all love to eat them. Whenever we go to see a movie or something, we love to eat them. What are these? Popcorns. What are these? Popcorns. Pop, 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 pop. Papa, popcorn. Papa, popcorn. Okay. So these were the words or the thing that we are going to see in the P sound story. They are the basic characters of P sound story. Pavan, Pankaj and Palak. The story moves around them. So let's listen to the story from our Fun with English book. Okay. Now this is our whole P sound story. This is P sound story. P sound story. What is the sound of P? P. What is the sound of P? P. Okay. Now we will once again revise all the characters. P. Pavan. Papa Pavan. Papa Pankaj. Papa Pankaj. Papa Palak. Papa Palak. Papa Pillow. Papa Pillow. Papa Parrot. Papa Parrot. Papa Pipe. Papa Pipe. Papa Pot. Papa Pot. Papa Pigeon. Papa Pigeon. And what is pigeon eating? Peanuts. What is the pigeon eating? Peanuts. Now let's move to this page. Papa Peacock. Look how beautiful he is. Look how beautiful it is looking. Yes, it is the national bird of India. Peacock. Papa Puppy. Papa Puppy. Papa Pond. Papa Pond. Papa Paints. Papa Paints. Papa Painting. Papa Painting. And this is a pencil. Papa Pencil. Papa Puppy. Papa Puppy. Papa Plate. Papa Plate. and Papa popcorn and Papa popcorn. So this is the story and it is a big story, okay? And the basic characters, the main characters are Pavan, Pankaj and Palak. Okay, now let's start with the story. Pavan along with his brother Pankaj and sister Palak went to a forest. Pavan along with his brother Pankaj and sister Palak went to the forest. Pavan along with Pankaj and their sister Palak went to a forest. पवन अपने भाई ब्रदर पंकज और अपनी सिस्टर पलक के साथ कहाँ गया था? एक फॉरेस्ट में गया था. While playing, Pavan ran after Pankaj and threw a pillow at him. And while playing, खेलते वक्त क्या हुआ? Pavan ran after Pankaj. ये देखो, Pavan ran after Pankaj and threw a pillow at Pankaj. जब वो खेल रहे थे तो पवन पंकज के पीछे रन करने लगा और पवन ने पंकज पे क्या फेंका? पिलो. क्या फेंका? पिलो. They both jumped over the pipe and a pot and reached near a pond. They both मतलब पवन and पंकज both. उन्होंने क्या किया? They jumped over a pipe and pot. This is a pot and this is a pipe. And they reached where? They reached near the pond. Papa, pond. They reached near the pond. Okay. A parrot was sitting on the tree and a pigeon was eating peanuts. A parrot was sitting on the tree. Parrot कहाँ पे बैठा था? ट्री पे. And the pigeon was eating peanuts. और pigeon क्या कर रहा था? Peanuts खा रहा था. Okay. A peacock was looking at the ducks in the pond. A peacock was looking at the ducks in the pond. Peacock क्या कर रहा था? क्या देख रहा था? Ducks को देख रहा था. कहाँ पे? Pond में. कहाँ पे? Pond. Near the pond मतलब pond के पास. Palak was making a painting. With the help of paints and a pencil. Near the pond, Palak was making a painting with the help of paints and a pencil. Pond के पास पलक बैठकर क्या कर रही थी? पेंटिंग बना रही थी. किसकी हेल्प से? किसकी मदद से? पेंट्स की मदद से और पेंसिल की मदद से. A puppy was looking at Pavan and Pankaj. Puppy was looking at Pavan and Pankaj. Puppy क्या देख रहा था? पवन और पंकज को देख रहा था. Puppy was looking at Pavan and Pankaj, and Palak had a plate and popcorns on her side. Palak had a plate and popcorns on her side. Palak के पास क्या पड़ा था? एक प्लेट पड़ी थी और पॉपकॉर्न्स पड़े थे. She told her brother not to run as they may fall down and get hurt. She told her brothers. Palak told her brothers. कौन थे उसके brothers? Pavan and Pankaj. Palak told her brothers not to run as they may fall down and get hurt. Palak ने उनको समझाया कि don't run, मत दौड़ो, otherwise you will fall down. तुम गिर जाओगे और तुम्हें चोट लगेगी. हम भी बोलते हैं ना आपको कि बहुत जोर से जल्दी जल्दी मत चलो, मत दौड़ो, आप गिर जाओगे और आपको लगेगी. वैसे ही पलक ने अपने दोनों ब्रदर्स पवन और पंकज को बोला कि डोंट रन, अदरवाइज यू मे फेल डाउन एंड गेट हर्ट. अदरवाइज आप गिर जाओगे और आपको लगेगी चोट. So this was P Sound story. It is a big story. What you are going to do, you are just going to revise all the words like papa peacock, papa palak, papa puppy, and with the help of phonics and your pointer finger. Okay, that's all in this video. In the next video, we will learn how to write P with a very fun activity. Okay, love you all.